So next up, guys, get a really clean tandem truck here. It's 1999 Mack RD688S tandem dump truck. Coming in, good consignor. Sold a lot of stuff for them. They do a good job with their service and maintenance history. But this truck's got like 561,000 miles. It does have a Mack E7 diesel motor, Eaton Fuller 8LL transmission. Tires look good, aluminum rims, big super singles up front, camelback suspension, 17-foot aluminum box. It does have a stainless steel liner in it. So semi-elliptical aluminum box with the stainless steel liner. It does have the rear pintle hitch plumbed to run a pup trailer as well. But cab heat, air, radio, all that stuff. For the age, guys, it's about as clean of a 1999 Mack as you'll find. So I'm here with Caden. He's gonna fire it up, give you a good demo. Truck runs strong, guys. They've been using it. They actually had this truck out hauling lime and rock not long ago. Just a good pre-mission, strong running truck. I do think it's had some engine and transmission work. I'll see if they have any documentation on any of that. It does, I mean, the transmission's real good, strong in it. You can tell when you shift, it shifts really well. So we'll run the box up and down for you. But there's been the quick little demo, 1999 Mack RD688S tandem axle dump truck, guys. He'll run that down. As he does that, just kind of conclude the video. But good luck, guys. Auction time and Old 20 auction.